KFC, a global fast food icon. Overview: Kentucky Fried Chicken. KFC, founded by Colonel Harland Sanders, is one of the world's largest fast food restaurant chains, specializing in fried chicken. Headquartered in Louisville, Kentucky, KFC operates over 27,000 locations in more than 150 countries as of 2025. Known for its original recipe fried chicken, KFC is a subsidiary of Yum! Brands, which also owns Taco Bell and Pizza Hut. History: origins. In the 1930s, Harland Sanders began serving fried chicken at his roadside restaurant in Corbin, Kentucky. He perfected a secret blend of 11 herbs and spices during this time-first franchise. In 1952, Sanders franchised his recipe to Pete Harmon in Utah, marking the first official KFC outlet. The name Kentucky Fried Chicken was coined here. By the 1960s, KFC expanded rapidly across the U.S. and internationally, with Sanders selling the company to investors in 1964 for $2 million global reach. KFC entered markets like Japan, 1970, China, 1987, and India, 1995, tailoring menus to local tastes. For example, China's KFC offers congee and spicy dragon twister wraps, while India serves vegetarian options. Menu and offering: signature items: the original recipe fried chicken, extra crispy, and Kentucky grilled chicken are staples. Popular sides include mashed potatoes with gravy, coleslaw, and biscuits. Innovations: KFC introduced items like the Double Down, a bunless sandwich with chicken as the bread, popcorn chicken, and plant-based options like Beyond Fried Chicken in select markets. Localized menus: in Indonesia, KFC offers rice-based meals and spicy variants. In Japan, KFC is a Christmas tradition with fried chicken buckets. In the UK, the Zinger Burger is a hit. Promotions: KFC frequently runs deals like Taste of KFC in the US, offering value meals, e.g., 8-piece buckets with sides for $10. As per recent promotions, business and impact: revenue and scale. KFC generates billions in annual revenue for Yum! Brands, with China being its largest market. Over 10,000 outlets. Cultural influence: KFC is a cultural phenomenon in places like Japan, where Christmas bucket orders are a tradition, and in Africa, where it's a growing middle-class dining option. Sustainability and innovation: KFC has experimented with lab-grown chicken and eco-friendly packaging. In 2020, they tested 3D printed chicken nuggets in Russia challenges. KFC has faced criticism for supply chain issues, e.g., the 2018 UK chicken shortage and health concerns over fast food. They've responded with transparency campaigns and healthier menu options. Recent developments: digital push: KFC has embraced digital ordering, with apps and delivery partnerships, e.g., DoorDash, Grab in Asia. In 2025, KFC Indonesia and other markets emphasize mobile apps for promotions marketing. KFC's campaigns often leverage humor, like the Finger-Lickin Good slogan, temporarily paused in 2020 due to COVID-19, and quirky ads featuring Colonel Sanders impersonators. Presence on X, KFC engages fans with posts about new menu items, deals, and memes. Recent posts highlight limited-time offers like free fries with app orders or new sauces like KFC X Crocs collaborations. Fun facts: Colonel Sanders was 65 when KFC began franchising widely, proving it's never too late to start a global empire. KFC's recipe remains a trade secret, reportedly locked in a vault in Louisville in Egypt. KFC outlets on the Nile River offer floating restaurant experiences.
Ada promo berapa untuk sendiri aja, kayak yang campuran gitu antara burger sama nasi ayam gitu, ada nggak?
Kalau yang promo itu burger. Oh, gitu. Burger tapi ada plus menu.
Nggak ada yang campur antara burger sama nasi ayam gitu ya?
Kalau itu ada makan satu komplit kita.
Oh, ya. Yang mana tuh?
Burger sama yang lengkap minumnya. Yang komplit.
Itu berapa tuh?
Itu kena 58an estimasinya.
Oh, ayamnya tapi bisa paha atas?
Bisa, yang bersih.
Dapat minum juga ya kayak gitu ya?
Minumnya mau kaput ya Pak?
Oh, dapatnya apa?
Kaput, bisa bisa sop ini kalau sop ini kan pasar.
Kalau family yang emberan gitu, ini ya. Ini nasi ayam aja nggak dapat burger ya?
Tiga nasi dan minum.
Minum. 118 ya?
Ya, perfect dia 130. Mau makan Cina atau 20?
Take away aja yang itu sih, tapi yang apa namanya? Yang nasi ayam burger itu ya?
Yang super komplit
ya,
ya.
Satu aja yang apa? Yang kayaknya paha atas bisa ya?
Bisa. Crispy original Pak.
Yang crispy ada yang paha atas ya?
Yang crispy ada.
Boleh nih.
Kalau crispy yang ini.
Iya.
Mau nambah kentangnya Pak?
Boleh deh.
Kentangnya nggak Pak? Mau nambah puding supaya nih.
Bisa deh.
Bisa puding supaya bisa ya.
Iya.
Jadi super komplit 4 sama satu kentang ya.
Iya.
Enak terus 4.
Iya. Udah dapat burgernya berarti yang isinya nugget ya?
Ya enggak yang ayam ya.
Ya.
Saya anak giginya. Jadi 8 kilo lah. Bayarnya cash atau debit?
Bayarnya cash. Berarti minumnya itu apa? Coca-Cola?
Bisa mau apa? Pokoknya mau minum apa?
Yang dicampur
Sampai Fanta atau yang mau upload yang
boleh betul. Iya.
tetap mau upload.
Iya.
Ini 107 ya?
Iya.
Ini ada 3 voucher kan?
Iya.
3 voucher ini bisa digunakan di seluruh KFC sampai tanggal 9
Iya.
bulan Oktober ya.
Iya.
Tetap kecuali tanggal kalinya 12 kan?
Iya. Iya.
Ya tunggu Pak, nanti panggilannya nomor
Saya lihat-lihat dulu ke belakang nggak apa-apa ya?